Hello folks, meteorologist Jamie Cagle here with your forecast, and as we get into the weekend, rain chances start to return to the forecast, as well as a little more humidity out there. As you take a look at the weekend, as we break it down through these morning hours, yes, there will be a chance of some rain around the metro area. The best chance of rain today is going to be into the northern half, northern third of the state. We do have a cold front, slow mover coming in from the north, but that is going to be our trigger mechanism to get the rain going. Now, there is a chance as we get into the later part of our afternoon, going into those evening hours, that we see some isolated rain actually trying to make its way into the metro area, but it is going to be Sunday, after we start out with quite possibly a little bit of patchy fog there. Sunday has the much better chance for rain and some thunderstorms around the Twin Cities metro area. And take a look at that humidity. Yeah, dew points are back into the lower half of the 60s for the next several days. Little bit of a nice drop there as you get into Wednesday and Thursday. Not a tremendous drop, but nonetheless. And see what it does to those rain chances? Well, you can see that, yes, definitely Sunday, the better of the 2 days for rain chances around the metro area. But we're also going to hang on to at least something of a chance there for Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday. Although Wednesday in the 7-day forecast, mainly dry, but I think Monday and Tuesday will hold on to at least a bit of a slight chance there with the forecast. So as we take a look at our microcast, we'll go through the morning hours. Again, that lingering rain that you saw there, south central Minnesota around the Twin Cities metro, that is still a possibility from Friday evening's thunderstorm activity, but really focus on the northern half, northern third of the state through these afternoon hours. Cold fronts make its way south, but like I said, it's a slow mover. As you go into the evening hours, we lose our daytime heating, the sun is setting, and the rain chances drop off. A lot of this rainfall is going to be driven by those afternoon temperatures. Sunday, again, a little more widespread chance of that patchy fog, and then let's pick up some heat into the afternoon. Cold front still making its way south. Isolated rain, better chance around the Twin Cities. Sunday night starts to drop off. Now that cold front gets out of here, but there will be a lingering trough in our mid and upper level winds. That's just enough energy to keep the chance of showers in the forecast for Sunday and Monday. But today, isolated storms are a possibility, but like I said, better chance for your Sunday. Here's a look at those temperatures. We do start out with some heavier cloud cover in southern Minnesota, even around the metro, and some spotty rain. That's going to keep the temperatures down just a little bit. But when you move into the northern half of the state, a little more sunshine, temperatures pop a little bit higher, but it's also a better chance for some rain, cool air this afternoon. And a quick look at that Sunday temperature. You saw that the numbers will be much closer to about 80, 81 degrees, but favoring the southern half of the state for the chance of rain, which is right there. So again, we have the better chance around the metro for Sunday. Keep the chance of storms in the forecast for Monday and Tuesday. It's not really a big system, but it's enough energy to keep the rain in there. I think mainly dry by Wednesday. A little drop in the temperatures, a little drop in the dew points there. Then we'll turn up the heat a little bit higher as we get to Friday.